This here is my puzzle box. You can see there's a hole there for a pin. There's another hole here for another pin. The lid will slide into place using this sliding dovetail joint. But once the lid is slid into place, these pins will prevent it from sliding out and opening. So the order of, or the sequence to open this box will be first drop this pin. This pin will be held in with a magnet. Then the lid will slide slightly forward, but this pin will prevent it from going too far. So once it slides forward a little bit and catches on this pin, then this entire side will be able to go up. So once this side comes up, then this can move. And when this moves, the pin can drop. And then the lid can slide all the way out. So then to reverse it, I would take the lid, put it in like this, slide it backwards. Then I would, well, I'd slide it in that far, and I would close that, which pops that pin up. Then I could slide this side back in. And I could slide this back all the way. And then this pin, I believe, is just something that I sort of tap and it reattaches to a magnet. And then the lid's not going anywhere. So that is my puzzle box, which is in works. All of these sides that are just exposed plywood, I'm going to cover. There's going to be some nice hardwood on all of these sides, so you won't see any of this plywood, and all of these sliding dovetail things will be hidden as well. The whole box will not show very much at all. Yeah, there you have it. Here's how to make a puzzle box. Hardest part is making these sliding dovetail joints and getting them to fit snugly, but loose enough that they still will move when you want them to.